If you're an entrepreneur, a founder who wants to build a culture of your company that grows it into $1 million or $1 billion company fast, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Rajat Chawla. I'm Asia's first certified customer experience professional on a mission to help businesses magnetize by delivering great customer experience. So let's get started. I'm going to share with you 3 key elements that can help any startup build a great culture that is a foundation for fast revenue growth and a customer-centric organization. The first element is keeping the customer at the center. What does that mean? That means that entire energies of the workforce of the organization, its people, how they are trained, how they are groomed, everything is centered around customer. Interestingly, HubSpot, a CRM company, says it like this in an acronym: WIIFC. What does that mean? That means what's in it for our customers. That's how they look at it. Most companies still look at it, what's in it for me? That's WIIFM. So move from WIIFM to WIIFC. That is what's in it for customer. That's the key number one element of a customer centric culture. The other thing that HubSpot says is SFTC. That's another acronym which means solve for the customers. A culture where everyone is solving for the customer, not just focused on earning revenues, not just looking at profitability. That's important, but where is it coming from? With focus on the customer. A customer-centric culture can go a long way in helping you turn your company into $1 million and $1 billion organization. Now let's move on to the next element. How do you make it happen? The second element is actually so key that it can make or break the company's culture in a short term as well as in a long term. That's about hiring right. Yes, hiring the people who resonate with your ideology, with your vision, who want to contribute to your company, to your company's customers. Tony Hsieh, a late founder CEO of Zappos, one of the super customer centric companies, was once asked, "What do you think is your biggest mistake ever?" And he said, the biggest mistake is wrong hires. And he said it costed us 100 million US dollars. In fact, in that company, they have a policy where if somebody is not aligned to the culture, they are requested to leave the company quietly. In fact, they are paid to leave the company because they know it can be extremely damaging if they've got wrong people at the wrong place, and it can impact those who are already part of organization aligned to the culture. At the time of hiring, you must look at the value system of the people whom you're hiring. You must look at their natural talents and inclinations. And one of the simple but powerful ways to look at the natural talents is a framework which is called as Gallup's framework of 5 clues to talent. And some of the questions that Gallup prescribes to use while hiring are: what kind of activities are you naturally drawn towards? When you ask this question, you will find their natural inclination. What gives you a greatest satisfaction? Where do you excel? What are the areas where you automatically know the next steps? And what are the things that you pick up quickly? If you ask these questions, then you're automatically finding people's natural inclination. And you should go further to find out their values. What is important for them? Is it money? There's nothing wrong in that. Along with that, have they got a mindset of service? Have they got a mindset of contributing to others and working as a team member and stepping up to be a leader, depending on what role are you looking for? An extremely powerful aspect of getting your culture right is making sure you're hiring right people and making sure that you're spending enough time and everybody in your organization is participating for getting right kind of people into the organization by participating in the hiring process. That brings us to the third key element, very critical element, that is about the mission. In fact, earlier it was said it was all about making a living when it used to be about the job and when it used to be about working in a company. Today, it's about making a difference. Present generation wants to make a difference and companies want to tap into that. So if your organization has a mission which is larger than just company's focus objective of making money, then that's going to resonate with the present generation. If you want to attract new talent, you must have an empowering mission which is bigger than just the company's mission to make money. So giving example, interestingly again quoting HubSpot, HubSpot says that mission actually helps us love our customers and love our people, and metrics, which is about measuring performance, revenue, sales, helps us earn the resources. So they have differentiated, keep your mission bigger and metrics will follow, right? So your mission can give a lot of fuel, energy and impact to your company's growth if you've got a great mission, and if you can back it up with true aligned actions, then you are on the way to create a great culture that can accelerate your growth. What are those three elements that I talked about? Let me recap. I talked about customer-centric culture and I talked about WIIFC, what's in it for the customer. Second key element, a super crucial element, is hiring right. By hiring right, you make sure that you are infusing a powerful customer-centric, people-centric DNA aligned to your value system. The third element is having an empowering mission that is a guiding force for your entire organization for a long time to come on your way to becoming $1 million startup. If you find this useful, do leave your comment. I go deep into many of the aspects of building great organization culture and how can you use strategies of customer centricity and employee centricity to grow fast. I do run masterclasses and bootcamp. If you are interested, I'll leave the link below. Express your interest. I'll be happy to connect with you again. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more latest content. Thank you for watching.